Hi, this is Tony Spiro with Cosmic JS. In this video tour, I'm going to show you how you can interact with the Cosmic CLI to browse, install, and deploy Cosmic JS powered apps. To get started, let's check out this apps page that features quite a few Cosmic JS powered apps in various languages. So we have React, Node, GraphQL, Vue. So quite a bit to check out to get started with a new project or just to demo and learn how to build Cosmic JS powered apps. Okay, so in our latest release of the Cosmic CLI, version 1.1.0, we introduced quite a few really cool application commands. And you can see those when you view these applications. There's a new button here called Install via CLI, and you'll see kind of these commands that are available for you to check out and run in your terminal. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, I've got a terminal opened up here, and just to kind of look at some of these commands we have, if you just run Cosmic, you'll see the commands available. You can view apps, you can browse apps. You can do quite a few really cool things in this latest release. So let's get started. I want to go ahead and just create a use case. Let's say I want to build a portfolio website. I want to start with a Cosmic JS powered app. So I will search the apps available by doing the command Cosmic browse apps, put a query flag on there for portfolio. Okay, so now we have quite a few portfolio apps available, and I see that this one is powered by GraphQL. That sounds cool. Let's take a look at it. So you can run this command Cosmic View App Portfolio Website, and it will open a new browser to show you what this looks like. So this portfolio app looks pretty cool. It's got some nice images. I think this will work. So I'll go over to my terminal again, and I need to create a new bucket first. So let's go ahead and create a new bucket on my account. So I'll do Cosmic Add Bucket. The title will be CLI Video Tour. So now we have our new bucket ready to go, and let's go ahead and make sure we are using that bucket for our install process. Cosmic Use Bucket, and we just type in the slug for that. Okay, so now using the bucket CLI Video Tour, and I want to go ahead and install this portfolio website. So I'll do Cosmic Install App, and the slug for that, I remember, was portfolio website. And it will prompt me asking, are you sure you want to overwrite all data and files in the bucket CLI Video Tour? So let's go ahead and double check and make sure that bucket is in fact there and empty. Alright, so we have CLI Video Tour here, and it has no objects or files, so I think it's safe to install to that bucket. So what that does is it populates the bucket with all the objects and media from that application, as well as it downloads locally, so I can interact with this app on my local machine. Alright, so let's refresh this page, and we see we do have our data populated. Objects and files are there. So let's go ahead and run this application locally, and it's automatically connected to my bucket when I run this start script, so that should be able to just pull in that data directly. And so now we see it does start on port 3000. Alright, so now this is on my local machine. It's got the application running as expected. So let's go ahead and just double check that it's connected to our bucket. Alright, so now we have edited this project object. So let's refresh this and make sure that it is connected. Alright, there it is. So as you can see, I've now connected my local application to this Cosmic JS bucket. All of that's coming through via the Cosmic JS GraphQL API because it is a GraphQL-powered application. And that's really cool. And now I've got this running locally, but let's go ahead and deploy this application so I can share it with a colleague. And to do that, I just run Cosmic deploy app, and it prompts, are you sure you want to deploy from this bucket CLI video tour? Yes. And that will run in the background. And as soon as it's deployed successfully, I will get an email confirming the deployment. And then if you want to double check that it's deploying, you will see on the web hosting page, in fact, it is deploying, and it will be made available at this address as soon as it's ready. All right, so that's pretty much it. Really cool new features in the Cosmic CLI. Interacting with apps and deploying apps has really never been easier. This is a very fast solution, and that's our mission. We really want to get teams building applications faster, going API first, and we provide the tools to make that happen. So we would love to see what you build, and I look forward to hearing from you. Reach out to us on Slack and join us on Twitter, and we look forward to seeing what you build. Thanks.